What's going on? Welcome to Watch Me Animate. I got two announcements to make today. First topic is on my upcoming Walk Cycles Made Simple course. Second topic is on rigs. Yes, rigs. I have a special announcement to make, so stick around to find out what it's all about. First, thank you to all of you who've shown interest in my Walk Cycles Made Simple course. There's quite a lot of you. I'm very humbled by the support and I'm excited to get the course in your hands. I was hoping to get it out this month, but it looks like it will be released in the first quarter of next year. The reason is really simple. If you follow the channel, you know how much I value presentation, and that's exactly what I'm working on at the moment. The course is complete, but I'm polishing up the presentation to make sure it's not only super educational, but also a lot of fun to watch as well, just like the videos you enjoy watching on my channel. So sign up to the course if you haven't yet. The link is in the description below. Let's talk about rigs. So if you follow the channel, you know I absolutely love animating body mechanics using simple low poly rigs. Jago, Jumper, Jacked, and Rex rigs are perfect examples of that. They're as low poly as you can get. They are literally blocks, but they are super fun to animate and really simple to use. Now, that said, Jago, Jumper, and Jacked rigs are now almost 5 years old, and off the record, they told me that they would be taking a well-deserved vacation. So, about 7 months ago, I started working on something new and fun that was inspired by the wonderful range of characters offered in the Body Mechanics Rigs pack released back in 2014 for Maya. I created a set of new characters that were ultra low poly with a simple, easy to use rig that offered plenty of flexibility for you to animate. So, drum roll please, allow me to introduce you to the blocks. Body Mechanic Rigs made simple and fun. Ultra low poly, simple rigs that offer you total control, super easy customization, and more importantly, tons of fun to animate, especially when you're honing in on your body mechanics skills. So, just how much fun are these rigs to animate? I will show you that and much more in upcoming videos, and I'll share more details on the pricing and release date. The blocks will be available for 3ds Max at launch, but I'm definitely open to getting them rigged for Maya and Blender users as well, but this all depends on the demand. So sign up to my mailing list so that I can notify you when the blocks are ready. There's one simple question on my mailing list to complete that lets me know if you are a 3ds Max, Maya, or Blender user. If there's enough interest in Maya and Blender versions, pretty straightforward. I will get working on it. So, link is in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.